the fourth step, we need to design the URI path to access the service. We have specified a class that will manage the request of the service. In our example, it is teacher service. Here we need to specify the path to this class. For instance, the path to this class is named as /service name /teacher. This path here is leading to the default service. In our example, the execution of the default path is handled by this method, getDefaultTeacher message. And we add URI information in our design. As for the other method, we append the name at the default URI. For example, we name this service as getTeachers. This example uses similar name for the service and the method that implements it. The purpose is to maintain the consistency, and it is easy to locate if any error occurs during execution of this particular method. And we repeat the step by naming our service for other methods. Here we use the method name to name the service, which is @teacher. After we have designed the URI for all services, we update the documentation as shown here. The last step is similar to the other object-oriented practice, where we put the class into a package and name it properly. For example, we create a package using UML notation. We name it as Hogwarts rest.services. And we put the service class that we have designed earlier in this package.